Assalamu alaikum grade 6. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online class and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I am going to conduct your English grammar class, fine, and it will be the revision class. The date today is 15 January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay class, today we are going to do the revision of tenses, fine. Let's have a review. There are 3 tenses. Tenses describe the time when the action has been taken place, ठीक है ना. Tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event, ठीक है ना. हमें पता चलता है कोई भी काम किस टाइम पर हुआ, whether that is the present time, past time or future time, ठीक है. Present shows the like जो काम अभी हुआ है, past shows anything that is passed over and future shows what is going to happen in the future, जो मुस्तकबिल में होने वाला है, fine. And there are 4 types of tenses: simple or indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. And we were on present simple tense. We have completed present simple and then past simple we have done. Now today inshallah we will go for future indefinite tenses, fine. Okay class, so today our focus of interest is future tenses, fine. We'll focus on future tenses. What are future tenses? Okay, future tense is the tense in which we should know like what is going to happen in the future time. So once we are going to make the future simple future tenses, we should have these chunks in our mind that what are the uses, like when we have to use a simple future tense, ठीक है. Now when नंबर 1 इज़ व्हेन वी प्रेडिक्ट अ फ्यूचर इवेंट और सिचुएशन. जब भी कोई हम आने वाले फ्यूचर इवेंट को प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, ठीक है ना. प्रेडिक्ट मीन्स पेशेंट कोई करना, लाइक यू आर गिविंग योर ओन ओपिनियन अबाउट द फ्यूचर टाइम, दैट इज प्रेडिक्शन, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई थिंक दैट द वाइट रोबोट विल विन द रेस, ठीक है. यू आर गिविंग योर प्रेडिक्शन, मे बी देर इज अ रेस बिटवीन द वाइट रोबोट एंड द ब्लैक रोबोट एंड यू आर गिविंग योर ओन प्रेडिक्शन अबाउट द फ्यूचर कि वाइट रोबोट जीतेगा. फॉर दैट यू विल हैव टू यूज सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस, ठीक है. नाउ नंबर सेकेंड वन इज when we make decisions at the time of speaking, like on the spot you are going to decide about something. For example, you can see here, what time do you want to meet tomorrow morning? If somebody is asking question कि तुम कल सुबह कब मिलोगे, and at the same time on the spot you decide about the thing कि आप कब मिलेंगे, and you will use then future indefinite tense. You can see here, I'll meet you at 10. So here you are saying कि आप कब मिलेंगे, सुबह 10 बजे. So at the same time on the spot you have decided, you have taken the decision. So for that we will have to use simple future tense. Okay class, let's have a quick look on the formation on the chart of future tense, like when we have to, like, this is the formula of simple future tense of affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences, and interrogative plus negative sentences, fine. Affirmative sentences show the positivity जिसमें नहीं आता है, at the end you will find a full stop. Negative sentences show like कोई negativity होती है and not will be coming, ठीक है. And interrogative sentences, always remember question mark comes at the end and helping verb will be going in the beginning, ठीक है. The formula for affirmative sentences: subject, all the subject, whether that is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, ठीक है, Sara, Ali. Whether the subject is singular plural, you will have to use will, ठीक है. will helping verb use होगा and verb with first form will be there and then object, fine. Same as with negative sentences, but you just have to add not there, ठीक है. with every helping verb, with every subject you will have to use will not, verb with first form and then object, fine. If we come to interrogative sentences, change of position of helping verb will be there, will be going in the beginning and then subject, then verb with first form and then object. For example, you can see here number 1 sentence, I will meet you tomorrow morning, ठीक है. This is the affirmative one. I will not meet you tomorrow morning, this is the negative ones. And will I meet you tomorrow morning, so this will be the interrogative ones. What about interrogative plus negative? Will, then subject, then not will be there and then verb with first form and then object and question mark. For example, will I not meet you tomorrow morning, ठीक है. This is just like that. Always remember class, these are some of the keywords which are mostly used in future tenses. For example, tomorrow, next week, next Sunday, next year, soon. These all keywords, they show the timings, ठीक है ना. future time कि when the action is going to take place. Okay class, I brought some of the examples for you. You can see here examples of future tense. 1, 2 and 3 are here. I've provided with you with positive or affirmative sentences. What you people have to do, you don't have to attempt any written work. You just have to make changes in these affirmative sentences and change them into negative and interrogative sentences, but do them just orally, fine. For example, you can see here number 1 is Anne will visit me tomorrow, ठीक है, एन इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, उसके बाद क्या है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल इज़ देयर, देन आफ्टर will we always use first form of verb, visit is the first form, me is an object and tomorrow is the keyword. ठीक है, so if I change it into negative sentence, how it will be, N will not visit me tomorrow. ठीक है, and when I'm going to change it into interrogative sentences, what it will be, will N visit me tomorrow, and question mark will be coming. I'm reading rest of the two sentences and you will have to make amendment into them. Fine. Now the second one is he will do his homework soon. So what will be the negative and interrogative ones of this? Don't go for interrogative plus negative. ठीक है, just make negative and interrogative sentences of them. Third one is they will play football next week. So what will be the negative sentence and interrogative sentence of this? You will have to make it into your mind. Okay, I guess grade 6 your concept of tenses must have been cleared in your mind. Now you people do a very good preparation for the exam and take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.